It's day before Good Friday, Thursday, and it's kind of cold outside. Actually, it's only like 44 degrees or something. It's kind of breezy, but the weather's been nice. It was like 70 plus yesterday, and the forecast looks to be warm and dry for the next 10 days plus. So it's time to get winter tires and wheels off the cars, and don't want to burn up the snow tires on the Camry. And I just like the look of the Rock Warrior wheels better on the Tundra, so let's get that done today. Those just look so much better. It sucks that it's dirty, but we can correct that too. Now it's time to put the summer tires and wheels back on the Camry so it can quit having an identity crisis. Get these Honda wheels off it. Whew. The hardest part's rolling them back out to the shed. I don't even know what the elevation change is, but it's enough that this old guy's worn out just rolling those 8 tires back out there and 8 this way. But anyway, now we gotta go for a quick ride, make sure everything feels smooth.